Smart cleaning businesses don't sit around waiting for calls. They create the holiday cleaning rush. If you wait any longer than right now, you're missing out on a lot of opportunity. I'm going to go over a simple holiday marketing campaign that you can do right now to assure the busiest holiday season. And it's really two parts. One, marketing to your current clients and your referral sources. First and foremost, I highly recommend that you do that first because you definitely have clients that you've done business with in the past that don't remember who you are. So we'll talk about that, and then we're going to talk about some other media that you can do to get new clients. Don't neglect your past clients. You want to make sure that they know that you're still in business, they know that you're ready, and remind them that you can be there to help them have a better holiday by creating a clean home and a clean environment for them. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, highly recommend 2 times a year. If you don't do it any other time, I recommend that you send postcards to past clients and referral sources right now, because they're about to have holiday cleaning, and if they don't remember you, if you're not at the top of their mind, they're going to forget who you are. And I recommend that you send now, and also in winter with a great special offer, and that's something we'll talk about when that time comes. But send a postcard to your past clients. This is a particular holiday postcard, just letting them know the guests are coming and letting them know that they need to, wishing them a happy Thanksgiving, of course, something to send out right now would be great. Letting them know too that they need to call and book early because your schedule is booking fast. When you do that, you actually get more jobs booked up in advance. And here we've got an entire message letting them know what the biggest benefit to getting cleaning done is, which is making a great first impression for their guests. That's what they want to do. Anybody that's coming over to their home for parties, for the holidays, they want to make a great first impression with clean carpet, rugs, floors. If you do maid service, just in general, a clean home. And this kind of outlines the whole deal that when people walk into a home, their eyes go right to the floor, and that's the first impression that they get normally inside of a home. Of course, we got other messages with other graphics with the same type of a message, just a happy Thanksgiving. Not really much of an offer. What we sometimes will do is offer a free cinnamon deodorizer. I think one of these postcards, like right here, actually offers that. You can do that or not. It doesn't matter. But highly recommend, if you don't mail a postcard any other time of the year, I'd probably recommend right now and in January and maybe February be the 2 greatest times. Now, don't only mail a postcard, and don't forget to mail a postcard, because some of your clients, this is the only way that you can actually reach them again. Postcard. Otherwise, they can unsubscribe from your emails. Emails are great. Text messages are great. And we're going to talk about text blasts just a second. Text blasts are huge right now. Almost all the time when we do a text blast well for clients, they book thousands and thousands of dollars of jobs. Okay, definitely do that, but don't stop there. Why? Because text messages are so limited, you can't really say a lot. But do a text blast. So the other greatest thing too is to include something like this. Also use these same pictures in your social media. And we've got options for this as well. We've got email newsletters with these same graphics that you can grab and put inside of your Facebook. You can put in email newsletters. We've got entire copy and paste templates for that. As well, the same theme going along with text messages. Now, for text messages, I highly recommend that you send them every 3 months, maybe every 4 months. Don't send them too often. Right now is a great time to get your schedule primed and let them know that they need to book 2 to 3 weeks in advance. Now, we've got options for text messages in our software to be able to send them for anywhere from 1 to 3 cents per completed text, which is way cheaper than you can get almost any other place. By the way, also these postcards, we can send 1,000 of these for you. We can actually send them for you or have them printed and send them to your shop. If you want them totally done, normally it's around 34 cents per home if you're sending at least 1,000. If you're sending a little bit less than that, sometimes it's a little bit more than that, it's a little bit less. But this is actually a larger 8.5 by 5.5 inch postcard. We can mail them for you, or we can have them sent to your office and you can mail them. I think 1,000 of this size is around $120. 1,000 of the 4 by 6 inch postcards is closer to around $70. Plus shipping and tax, of course, for that. But we can also mail them for you if you don't want to mess with mailing them. So again, postcard followed by a text message, followed by an email would be the smartest thing to do to market to your past clients. And not only your past clients, but the realtors who you've maybe already talked to or who you already have a business card for and you have their email address or you have their text phone number. Make sure that you don't neglect them because they have people right now asking them who to call for holiday cleaning. So make sure you're talking to those flooring retailers and those realtors right now. After you do client marketing, again, first and foremost, if you have any budget for marketing, send the postcards, send the texts. Those are things we can help you with. Let me know. After that, the two biggest things that I see work the most often for cleaning companies is going to be Google Ads to run a good campaign to your website and every door direct mail neighborhood marketing. Now we do have an entire course on neighborhood marketing that you can check out where you can actually get the postcard templates. Currently the course is $57. You get the templates and the complete guide on how to execute a solid neighborhood marketing campaign. It's basically about being the go-to cleaner and the actual neighborhood cleaner in any neighborhood that you pick. I'll put the link below this video as well for that. Neighborhood postcards are basically the same type of message generally with a little bit more information about your guarantee and why your company is better than other companies in your area. Letting them know you make a great first impression, giving them special offers. Again, this time of year, I don't recommend great special offers, but a light special offer, especially to new prospects, can be smart. We've got a lot of different EDDM campaigns here. And again, we can have these printed for you, design them for you, send them directly to your shop, and you mail them, or we can mail them or have the printer mail them for you, usually for around 34 cents, 35 cents per postcard. And that includes postage, labeling, shipping, the whole 9 yards, everything. As well, you might want to consider doing some Google Ads. We've got an entire course for that here in the coaching club where you can actually learn how to execute a Google Ad campaign yourself. Or if you'd like me to do it, I actually do personalized Google Ad campaigns for lots of cleaners. Contact me and I can help you out with that. Bottom line, guys, get marketing today. Start marketing. Now, if you are historically super busy and you know you're not going to need to do any marketing, I get it. But if you don't know for sure, if you're new in business or you need more work than you had last year, you need to jump on this right now. Let me know how I can help. Also, I'll put the link for the Ad Coaching Club where you can get access to all of these templates as well. Free graphic design once per month. Huge discounts on printing. We can do all this for you and help you out and walk you through it.